Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's Doyle here from Premier RV out in Bluegrass, Iowa. Today I'm standing inside the new 2024 Keystone RV Bullet Crossfire 2530RD. This floor plan is awesome, very open. It's got this large U-shaped dinette in the rear. So let's get right into this one. First thing you're going to notice when you walk in is how open and spacious the living room kitchen layout is. And that beautiful color on the cabinetry. Right at the back is that large king-sized U dinette. If you have a larger group with you, it's perfect for seating on some of those rainy days where you don't want to eat outside. Storage underneath and up top. And this type of dinette, you just undo that. Push it that way, and there you have it. Put the cushions on, and you got yourself another sleeping space. Theater seats right here, cup holders, some storage under there, and on each one of the armrests, and you got your outlet right there. Fridge right here. With some storage on the side and down there. Into the kitchen, 3-burner cooktop with the oven, and you got your built-in convection microwave oven with an air fryer. Air fryer edition, very popular now. And right there, you got a 32-inch TV, built-in sound by JBL. And you can pull this one out pretty far. Make viewing easy from over there and from the theater seating. Heading into the bathroom, large middle bathroom, you got your shower with the skylight. You got your toilet. You got your sink and your 2-door medicine cabinet. Tons of space for all your toiletries. And you got some storage down below. This is also a porcelain foot flush toilet. Much better than the plastic. Much less cleaning is required. Heading into the bedroom, you got your queen bed. Storage overhead and on the sides for your shirts and stuff like that. You got a little drawer here. You got USB ports and outlets on both sides. And you also got some gas strut storage underneath. Now we'll head out the second door and take a look on the outside. Onto the exterior. Up at the top you see 2 exterior speakers. Got the Bullet Crossfire decals. 2 steps, both step above steps by MoreRide. As you can see here, it's got the thermal package, which gives you a 30 kBtu furnace and a heated and enclosed underbelly. There's your spare tire there. It's also got the Solar Flex Protect 220 package, giving you a 220 watt solar panel on the roof and a solar charge controller that's in that pass-through storage up there. Got your awning with the LED lighting. And here you got your tires. These are Goodyear Endurance tires. It's got a 1-year no excuses guarantee and a 5-year warranty from Lion's Head. Pass-through storage here for your gear. You can see there's more on the other side we'll get to. Electric tongue jack. It's got a NXG frame. And here's the other side of the pass-through storage. Got a battery disconnect for the solar, and there's your solar charge controller. Got inverter prep, and here you got the convenience center. those two switches up there. It's for your power stab jacks. And here you got the endless hot water heater. This is perfect because you don't have to try to ration the water, take really short showers. You can stay comfortable. There's a slide system here. Cable slide. And on the back side, you got your ladder to the roof and your receiver. Thanks for watching, everybody. Leave a like and a comment. Let me know what you think of this floor plan, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. If you want to learn more about this unit and other units we have in stock, check out our website, premierrv.com, or come visit us in person in Bluegrass, Iowa. Thanks for watching, everybody, and as always, happy camping.